Hi, I'm Rudy Schreiner. Welcome to our newest ship, the Arma Magna. I'm going to let our hotel manager, Christian, take you for a closer look on the Arma Magna.
Welcome aboard on the most beautiful and unique ship on the Danube River, MS Arma Magna. Follow me and let's take a closer look. As soon as you enter on our beautiful ship, here is the place where you check in. This is our reception. After check-in, we bring you to your stateroom, the most luxurious on the river. Let's go see one of those staterooms. There are 99 beautiful staterooms on board the Arma Magna, but this one is the finest. We call this the owner suite. It's over 700 square feet, which is bigger than many apartments. Immediately, you will notice the details, the rich dark wood, the black and white marble bar. You will also notice the plush textured materials of the furniture. Put your feet up and enjoy a drink. You deserve it. There is a decorative fireplace, a dining area and a walk-in closet. There's also an outdoor deck behind this wall of glass. The bedroom itself is truly the lap of luxury. It's like sleeping in a cloud. There is a huge bed and a pop-up television. But why do you want to watch television when the most extraordinary view is at your feet? This is the Danube after all, and this cruise runs through some of the most beautiful cities. After a day of exploring, this is a perfect place to come home. But the Arma Magna is not just about the rooms. There is so much more to see. Please follow me. There are so many amenities available to our guests. On the piano deck, there is a general shop. There you can buy lederhosen to jewelries and everything else in between. There is a hairstylist to keep you beautiful and fashionable. To keep your body in shape, there is a gym where you can get stronger indoor or out. And after, you can have a fresh juice in our relaxing Zen wellness. Cheers! And here you can indulge a manicure, pedicure, or massage, or maybe all three. There is even a cinema. And if all this relaxing makes you hungry, let's go see what there is to eat. From morning until night, the culinary options on board the Arma Magna are almost endless. There are 4 restaurants: al fresco, main dining room, Jimmy's wine bar, and the more formal chef's table restaurant. Each one has their own atmosphere and mood, from the casual to the romantic. This is the Danube, after all. But one thing they have in common: they are all delicious. So here is the sun deck, which spans the entire length of the ship. There is so much to do up here. You can have a drink at the bar, or you can take a dip in the pool or jacuzzi. You can practice your short game at the putting green, or stretch your legs on this walking track. And speaking of stretching, we have yoga classes up here. Whatever activity you want, the Arma Magna probably has it. Well, Rudy, I hope I told them about everything on the Arma Magna. We'll see you on board.
Thanks, Christian, and we'll see you on the Danube. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?